Hi everyone, my name is Lauren and welcome to a brand new unboxing. I apologize in advance if you can hear neighbors outside. It's boiling in the UK right now. It's 40 degrees Celsius, so I'm being boiled alive as we speak. But I really wanted to film this unboxing for you, mainly because I really wanted to start using the equipment that I was given. I was gifted this item by one of you guys through Throne Gifts, so thank you so much for the really lovely birthday gift. I really appreciate it. Honestly, can't say it enough. Thank you. I'm so sorry if I like full on melt on the screen today. I want to start by unboxing the Elgato Stream Deck. Can I just? The packaging. The amount of detail that Elgato puts into their packaging, it just makes me happy, okay? It makes me happy. The quality of the box, it looks sleek, it looks nicely designed and made, and it just makes me very happy. I just wanted to say it. I haven't even seen the item in it yet. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay guys, so here we have the first item, which is the Elgato Stream Deck. There it is! I went for the white one, just because I thought it would look quite sleek because I have quite a white setup. This is what it looks like. This little thing at the back, it's got the logo on. Very cute. Let's open this up. Cables. A start guide. Then let's take this out of the box. There it is. It's got oh god, I did not know what was gonna happen. I thought I was gonna be stuck. Anyway, that's fine. There you go. Let's make sure it doesn't fall out this time. It's got film at the back and you can take this out clearly. But it's nice that you can slot it in and then put it upright. Let's set this bad boy up now. Okay, so I just downloaded and started up the Stream Deck software from the Elgato website. As you can see, just downloaded it just on their website on elgato.com/en/downloads. And then this little screen pops up once you've installed it. So I'm just gonna have a quick look to see what we can do. Oh my gosh, there's so much to learn. So I can already see a little button light up on my little Stream Deck, which is cute. Oh my gosh, I just pressed it. I'm also going from my my mobile hotspot on the internet, by the way, because my internet's down. I think the weather must have actually melted my internet cables. This is very cool. Okay, so it's gonna show me what you can set it up with, which is very fucking sick. Oh my goodness. Key creators, stop it. Oh god, I'm gonna have to sit down and look at all this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. If you want to see some more unboxings, do let me know in the comments below. I would love to always do some more. I'm sure I can find some things to unbox, you know. Anyway, thank you so much and see you soon. Bye.